Hey guys, welcome to RecipesTested. This is going to be a series I'm doing where in October I will be filming a recipe that is fall themed for you guys. And fall is my favorite time of year. I love it. I love everything about it. I hope that you guys are just as excited as I am. And to kick things off, we're going to be doing a pumpkin pie oatmeal. So if you want to see how this turns out, just keep watching and I'll get testing.
So I got going on my oatmeal by heating up my unsweetened vanilla almond milk in my saucepan, and then I added in my rolled oats. And then brought it up to a boil. And once it was like 95% of the way cooked, I went and added in my pumpkin, cinnamon, freshly ground nutmeg, which tastes 10 times better than regular nutmeg, like pre-ground, so I will link it down in the bottom below. And then fresh vanilla extract. And then I mixed all that up together until it was all incorporated and all melted. And then I topped it with some maple syrup and some pecans, and that was it.
Right, so this is all done. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste and let you know if it's love at first bite. Oh wow. This is so good. Oh my gosh. It's got such like a perfect pumpkin pie flavor. And I will say, I don't think that the maple syrup is optional as a topping. The maple leaf flavor gives it a really fall-esque vibe to me. I think without it, it would just kind of taste like pumpkin spice rather than a pumpkin pie. So I totally recommend it. This is really good. This was super easy. This has just the right amount of pumpkin to spiciness. It's a awesome balance, and the crunch with the pecans on top is super good. I would probably eat this throughout like the whole summer because this is that good. So I hope you guys enjoyed day one of RecipesTested. Give me a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you. Bye.